Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's Python video training we will be looking at Python regex. A regex or regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regex can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. Python has a built-in regex module that is called RE, which can be used to work with regular expressions. For importing the RE module, we just need to use the keyword import followed by the RE, and that will import the regex module in our program. Let's look at our first example. So when you have imported the RE module, you can start using regular expressions. A simple example is search the string to see if it starts with the and ends with Spain. So let's see this in action. First of all, let's create a project file Python. The IDE I'm using is Sublime. So let's create Python re.py and enter, and here we are. So first of all, let's import the RE module, and second step is to define a string. Let's say the rain in Spain, and okay, let's define a variable x, and we will use the RE module re.search, and we say tilde sign, where is the tilde sign, cap sign, okay, here it is, the dot static Spain dollar, and the string where we want to search this is txt. Let's save this file, go back to the console, and let's run it. Python re. Okay, we haven't got any output because we didn't printed out the contents of variable x. Let's run the program again. You see we have a matching object, that is match object at position this. The RE module offers a set of functions that allows us to search a string for a match. We have a findAll function that returns a list containing all matches. Then we have a search function that returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. The split function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. The sub function replaces one or more matches with a string. Let's see an example of findAll function. So let's print a list of all matches from the string the rain in Spain. Let's see this in action. Let's comment this out because I'll be using it for my Git repository, and you will be able to download the source code from there, and it will all be in the same file. Txt the rain in Spain, and x equals re dot find all, and I say ai dot txt print x. Save the file, go back to the console and run the program. You see we have got a list on the console output which shows two values, ai and ai, which means the ai has been found in the string twice. As you can see, we have ai here and ai in Spain, so there are two occurrences of ai the string, and findAll helped us find the occurrence of AI in the string. The findAll function returned an empty list if no match was found. So if we say findAll Portugal and we try to search that out, let's say Portugal, save this file, go to the console, run it again, you see we have got an empty list because no matching keywords were found in the string. So let's revert this and let's see the next function. It's the search function. The search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. If there is more than one match, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. So let's see an example. Search for the first white space character in the string. Let's do this. Let's comment this and let's create new one here. re.txt the rain in Spain and x equals re.search and \s comma txt print x. Okay, x dot star, the first white space character is located in position. Okay, the first white space character is positioned at, concat that x dot start. Okay, and save the program, go back to the console, run the program. We have an error here. It says cannot concatenate str and integer objects. Okay, let's go to our program. Okay, we need to use a comma here. We are not going to concat it, we are just going to display it. So let's run the program again. You can see it says the first white space character is positioned at 3. So you can see we have THE and then we have a white space. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a correct position of the first space character in the string. Let's make a search of a string to find something which we don't have, and let's go to the console, run the program. You see we got an error, none type object has an attribute start. It's because there wasn't any match of Portugal in the string txt and none was returned in the x variable, and because of x was null, there wasn't any associated method with the matching object. That's why we got this an error. Let's revert this, go back to the console, and there we are. Okay, let's look at the next function, that is the split function. The split function returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Split at each white space character. You can control the number of occurrences by specifying the max split parameter as well. Let's see this in action. Okay, just comment this out and port re.txt the rain in Spain. Okay, we say re.split and /s txt and we just print out the contents of variable x. Go back to the console. You see now we have 4 values in the list with 4 words that say the rain in Spain. So what this split function has done, it has tokenized the string into 4 elements and returned a list object that is stored in the x variable, and when we printed the x variable we got 4 values in the list. You can also use the split function to split the string only at the first occurrence. Let's see this in action. So if we pass a third parameter to the split function and we run the program again, you see we got the rain in Spain. So basically it splitted the string the rain in Spain in two parts because we passed the one parameter here. If we pass it 2, then it will break it into 3 parts, the rain in Spain. So basically you can control the occurrence of the string you want to split. Now let's look at the next function, that is the sub function. The sub function replaces the matches with the text of your choice. Example is replace every white space character with the number 9. So let's see this in action. Let's comment this out and import re.txt, the rain in Spain, and we can say x is equal to re.sub and /s and txt. Okay, we want to replace the empty space with 9, and let's print this out. Go back to the console, run the program. You see we have got a string the 9 rain 9 in 9 Spain. So basically what the sub function has done, it has replaced the white space with the number 9. So that's what is the functionality of the sub function. What if you want to replace the first 2 occurrences only in the string? So you just need to pass an additional parameter after the string object. So if you run the program, you see it has only replaced the first 2 occurrences of the white space. Okay. Now let's look at the match object. A match object is an object containing information about the search and the result. Note, if there is no match, the value none will be returned instead of the match object. Let's say we want to do a search that will return a match object. So simply we do comment this out. By the way, we have already done this above. So, but to explain the match object better, we are doing it again. This is equal to re.search and ai txt print x, save the file, go back to the console. You see we have got a match object here, which is returned by the matching pattern that we have defined. Okay, the match object has properties and methods used to retrieve information about the search and the result. The span function returns a tuple containing the start and end positions of the match. String returns the string passed into the function. The group function returns the part of the string where there was a match. So let's see, if we want to print the position, start and end position of the first match occurrence, the regular expression looks for any words that start with an uppercase S. So let's see this in action. Let's comment this out. Okay. So import re.txt, the rain in Spain. Okay, and we say x.re.search. We have to pass r double quotes /bs /w plus and txt. Let's print x.span. Save the program, go back to the console. We have an error. It says name re is not defined. Okay, I forgot to uncomment import RE. Okay, go back to the console. You see we have got 12 and 17. So basically it returned the position of the span word that started from position 12 and ended on position 17. So that's how the span function works on the match object. If we want to print the string passed into the function, we just need to use the property of the match object, that is string. So we can modify our existing example or just keep it, and on the new line we can say x.string, just comment it out. Back to the console. Here you see we have got the string that we passed to the match object, and that is on the console. So that's about it. And what if we want to print the part of the string where there was a match? The regular expression looks for any words that starts with an uppercase S. So let's look at the group function. We can use this and group. Let's comment this out, save the file, go back to the console. Valid syntax. Okay, let's go back, see what's wrong here. Okay, I forgot to close the braces. Go back to the console. You see we have got span. What it's doing is it's looking for any words that start with an uppercase S and printed those out. So let's add another word, let's say Switzerland. Save the file, go back to the console. See we have got, because it's returning the first occurrence, so we put the Switzerland first and Spain second. You see we have got Switzerland now. Okay, that was it in this video training. I hope you have learned something from this video training. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time with a new topic in Python. Till then, bye.